Okay, ang ating number 2 tips, to improve your relationship with your partner is communicate openly. Talk about your feelings, concerns, and dreams. Never assume, ask, or express. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, kailangan maging honest tayo sa mga feelings natin. Kasi especially sa panahon ngayon, maraming mga taong, alam mo yun, natatanga pagdating sa pag-ibig. Kasi despite na nasasaktan sila, pinapakita nilang malakas sila, pinapakita nilang okey pa din sila kahit hindi na okey. Minsan hindi natin napapansin na akala natin okey lang lahat, pero hindi pala okey. Kasi tayong mga tao, tao lang tayo, yung feelings natin, um, puwedeng oras, segundo, magbago 'yan depende sa salitang naririnig natin, 'yun, o maririnig natin sa mga partner natin. Kasi once we love the person, um, you can't we can't control our feelings. But those people who control their feelings, they are so nice. They are so good at hiding, their true inner feelings for their partner. Whereas I don't, sorry guys, which is I don't think that's a good idea to hide your feelings. Be honest, because that's the only way you can connect with your partner. Be honest with your feelings, and kung may mga concern or problem kayo sa isa't isa, maging honest kayo. At bilang partner, tayo naman dapat, um, 'pag nagsabi sa atin yung partner natin, 'wag ma-hurt yung ego natin, or 'wag tayong magsasalita agad ng, masasakit na salita dahil narinig natin na gano'n yung tingin sa'tin ng mga partner natin. Hindi dapat gano'n. Dapat bawat isa sa'tin bilang mag-partner, iintindihin natin yung partner natin. 'Pag may nakitang mali sa ginagawa natin, puwede nating i-improve yun. Okay, accept it and learn from what your partner tell about you. If it's either bad or good, it's good if it's good, but if bad, and then don't get mad or upset just because your partner tell you that you're that kind of person. She was just honest to, connect with you with her feelings. So, yeah, wala namang hindi naayos sa, you know, kalma at maayos na usapan. Basta may pagmamahal at pag-unawa sa isa't isa, lahat ng problema ay masusolusyunan, okey? At hindi naman sa lahat ng oras kailangan pinag-uusapan yung bad bad side of your partner. Minsan kailangan niyo rin, maging open sa pangarap niyo para sa family niyo. Kung may pangarap ka, hindi hindi dahil may, alam mo yun, may asawa ka na or may partner ka na, dun na matatapos yung pangarap mo. Kung may pangarap ka para sa sarili mo, para sa pamilya mo, maging honest ka. Kasi minsan may mga tao kasing, alam mo yun, may mga asawa na sila, pero hindi nila magawa yung pangarap nila kasi inuuna nila yung pamilya nila. Kasi napasubo na sila, nandun na sila. Minsan, hindi natin alam na habang tumatagal, nagbabago yung isip natin. Depende sa sitwasyon, lalo na yung mga taong, yung hindi napapagtuunan ng pansin ng mga partner nila dahil sobrang busy. Nagkakaroon sila ng chance mag-isip to separate from their partner dahil nga they are not connected with each other. So, the only thing that you can save is be honest with your feelings, with your partner. Lagi ko yung sasabihin sa inyo na maging honest kayo and maging totoo sa sarili niyo. Kasi lahat tayong tao, bilang tao, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang, ibig sabihin ng happiness, ng peace, dahil iba-iba tayo ng pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Iba-iba tayo ng gusto, iba-iba tayo ng na-experience or ng mga nakakasama natin sa araw-araw or mga taong nakakasalamuha natin. So, ayun, kung sakali man na dumating yung time na mag-open ka sa partner mo at hindi ka sinuportahan, don't assume once na nag-open up ka sa partner mo na susuportahan ka ng partner. Hindi lahat ng tao open mind, hindi lahat ng tao kayang sumuporta para sa partner nila. May mga taong, ano mo yun, um, they are close-minded. They can't understand what their partner want because, you know, they have their own reason. It depends how people think or how people, look in the other side views of life. We don't know that. Nobody know that. Only the person, uh, know that. Pero bilang, bago tayo makipagrelasyon naman, dapat kailangan kinikilala natin na maayos yung partner natin. So, bilang partner, huwag ka na lang mag-assume kasi you know better than anyone else who really are your partner is because you choose him. Once we choose him, no matter what the consequences about choosing him, you have to accept it dahil yun yung pinili mong life. Okay? And don't ask questions once your partner open up about something. Just listen. Okay? You can, yeah, sometimes we can avoid asking questions like how can how I gonna support you to achieve your dreams like that. But hopefully, as your partner, don't ask negatively to, to discourage your partner about about her dreams or what he want or what she want in their life. Support them as your partner. Support them because that's the only way how both of your life will become better. Mhm. Express those thoughts, what's in your mind. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid. Just be honest. All right. Okay. Let's go for part 3.